Hey guys, Anissa here, and welcome to my channel if you're new. If you're one of my returning subscribers, it's real fun to hang out with you all again. I just want to jump on camera really quick before my camera like completely dies and share like recent things I picked up from Ulta and just like quick thoughts about them, because one, I want to show you all a product that I will be featuring in the near future, hopefully get you excited about it. Tell me what you want to see first as well. I do have like one of the items already recorded and I'll point that out, but there are some other ones that I really would love to know if you want to see them now or later. The first thing are two beauty tools. I'm actually really falling back in love with Real Techniques. I had a bad experience with one of their brushes before, but then I was just like, just give them a try, just give them a try. And I really like their eyeshadow brushes and just their beauty blender kind of sponge. I think it's called a complexion sponge. But I decided to pick up two brushes. One was the Instapop face brush, and that's just to pack on like your setting powders. And this picks up a lot of product. Like, it is insane. Like, if I do this, I mean, I feel like you can tell, but it really picks up a lot of product. I thought I had like some loose powder chilling out here that I could show you all with, but it really does pick up a lot of product and pack it on, which means you have to be like super careful. And every time I pick up powder, I have to like shake it really off, but it does sweep it on really nicely. It fits like underneath the eye well, it fits right underneath the cheekbone really well. And I've been moving away from sponges when it comes to packing on powder, just because sometimes that it cakes it up. I already put on like full coverage foundation, full concealer. I gotta take it easy somewhere, and the powder is one of them. And then I picked up the powder brush. Again, they're just so soft, and this again was just getting away from packing it on with like a sponge and pressing it in. That's nice when I wear like a tinted moisturizer, but just what I said, I gotta go light somewhere, and these have been helping me out a lot, and I really like them. I've been using them I think almost like a month now. Yeah, fair to say. Another tool I also picked up just before my trip last week was the Morphe M530, just for contouring. This picks up a lot of powder, but it also holds on to a lot. Like, I can sometimes just like lightly dampen and clean them out, but these bristles hold on to pigment like crazy. Really great if you want like a strong contour, but you gotta be light-handed or else it can go real south. Not too bad, not too great. Speaking of Morphe, I picked up two things from them. They had like a full outpost in this new Ulta, which means I lost my damn mind over there. But I picked up a highlighter from them because I know I always have like Crown in my canopy. I also restocked, but I just want to give you different options, show you things. Morphe is one of those companies, I like them. They're opening up a store here in Tampa, but they can tend to be problematic. So sometimes I just like to provide like an unbiased opinion about it. So Mirage is what I picked up for that. Just really quick swatch. She's real cute. Boom. Really cute. And then I picked up a contour palette called Showmance, and it has like a little shimmer bronzer and matte, and I actually swirled the two, and I actually really liked it, and I literally just picked it up for my trip. Next up is the Desi Katy Francation palette. I also got two of the lip colors. Now this is what I will have a video out about first. I just wanted to get a quick opinion about it since I know it's kind of limited edition, but this is it. That is so stunning. It drew me in. I had to swatch it, I had to try it, and ended up buying it. Also, I picked up the Too Faced Primed and Poreless. I've really been trying to test different primers to make, because I was cracking. And she's been holding me up pretty well in this Florida weather, and I actually purchased this from Nordstrom, including restock of the Born This Way foundation, which I can't live without now. All right, the last thing I picked up, you all will be excited about, especially two subscribers I know of, because they've been telling me about it. We've been talking about it in DM, and I got a bunch of Juvia's Place now. Literally, they've sent me, like, they were telling me like what they have, and thank you guys, like thank you so much, because I've been nervous to try these. I don't know why. I know it, I think in all honesty, there's so many bold colors. I don't know what looks I'm gonna create with it, but we're gonna do it here on the channel. So I just want to give you all some different options about a brand. It's Black owned. It's now in Ulta. So of course I went, swatched it and had to buy it, but I got the Nubian 2. The Saharian, so those were the two my subbies picked out for me. They told me I had to try it. And then this one I could not leave behind. She was so fun. The Masquerade Mini by Julia. Hello, gorgeous. I actually took this on my trip to Boston and it was like perfect for me because it had some vivids, but it has the neutrals. I went to a wedding, I was able to like look good, feel good. Slay. So you guys, that's literally it, what I picked out. I just wanted to hop on here, connect with you all really quickly and let you all know what I have so you can get excited, give me some feedback of what you want to see first. I'm pretty sure it's going to be Juvia's Place, which was what I plan to do next. So let me know what you want to see down below in the comment box. Other than that, hit subscribe, join the tribe so you can be glamorous with me and hang out with me again because I want to hang out with you. And also hit those bell notifications and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.